pagdating sa cortex, gray matter, spinal cord, mali yun. Okay? So this one is a scanning view of your spinal cord. Okay? So let's go outside first. What do you take up in the spinal cord? The layers. So from without inward. I've always been telling you that if our organ is the brain, usually the dura mater is no longer there. Okay, it's attached to your skull. So what is left is the arachnoid. Covering. So what covering is attached directly to your spinal cord is this one. If you see a blood vessel, that is already the pia mater. Okay? So from without inward, you have your dura mater, arachnoid mater, the pia mater, which directly hugs the spinal cord and the brain. This one last. Okay? That is the pia mater. And this one is a blood vessel. So where you can see blood vessels, that is already the pia mater. This one, the arachnoid is described as something like of a spider web. Hindi natin makikita ang shadow dito. So, hindi pa rin. Parang yan portion na yan. Okay? So it's a space between the arachnoid and the pia. You call that your subarachnoid space. Okay? Now, the spinal cord is composed of opposite shell with the brain. This is your white matter, this one, and this is your gray matter in between. The gray matter seemingly like another H. Okay? This one. This one is your central canal that is lined with your ependymal cells. The ependymal cells are described to be a single layer of cuboidal or low columnar located epithelium. Okay? And what is the function of your ependymal cells? It's where actually the choroid plexus are composed of your ependymal cells. So ang function din niya is for your production of your CSF. And the hairs that is supposed to be lining your canal and your ventricle help move the fluid in this canal. Okay? Last pag ganyan, hindi naman ipo-focus ng ganyan. Ano naman napakasama namin. Sige nga, identify. Goblet cells daw, sabi nito, pwede. So, we will have to let you see the whole thing, of course. So, this one is your central canal. Any questions with the ependymal cells? Okay, so, nandiyan siya. Minsan, meron siyang structure inside. So, that is usually the CSF that has been made. So this one class is the gray matter. And what do you see in the gray matter? Cells. Okay? The cells are one class. These are your neurons. Alam niyo yung mga neurons natin? The large cells are your neurons. And they are described to be stellate-shaped, arranged randomly, with a centrally located nucleus and a very prominent nucleus. Yan, kita mo na yan, ha? You have to know that. Okay? So that is the neuron, or your nerve cell. Now, what other cells do we see here? We have your astrocytes, oligodendrocytes, and the microglia. Astrocytes are usually, they're described to be, the nucleus is oval, large, and pale staining. So this one. Ganyan yung astrocyte. Pero sa cerebrum, mas magaganda yung mga astrocytes. Those that look like just dots, this one class, are your oligodendrocytes. Actually, what are seen here are just the nucleus. The nucleus. So these are still your green matter. Still your And then, the other cell, which is your microglia, will have an elongated nucleus. This one, very nice neuron. Okay. Class, please also know the functions of your glial cells. Oh, class, what's this? That is your axon, right? Anyway, we go to the elongated. Class, this one is an elongated nucleus, so this is a microglia. Anyway, let's go to the white matter. The white matter is at the periphery. Okay, so central gray matter and then the outer white matter when we speak of the spinal cord. So class, what do you see in the white matter? Actually, are unstained myelin sheaths. Yan, last. In white spaces, because they did not take up any stain, these are your myelin sheaths enclosing and centrally located nerve fibers, specifically your axons. So the cell body are located in the gray matter in the center, and the axons or the nerve fibers are located in the white matter. Okay? So this one has, actually, nasa gitna na yan, hindi ko mag-point. Is the nerve fiber or the axon, and this one is your myelin sheath, the space. So class, this is not the perineuronal space. This is actually the myelin sheath of the white matter of the spinal cord. Okay, did you get that? So those are the things you have to learn for slide number 93. Organic focus, syempre ginamit sa picture, focus dyan sa ginamit dito. Yan. Okay? So, more or less ganyan ang mga itsura ng mga photo. Okay, dokie. Any questions in slide number 93?